I think we're dialed in. I just checked real quick with the headphones to see how it sounds, and I think it sounds good. I don't think we're gonna clip on the exhaust. Hopefully we got the engine. So yeah, this drive probably already started. What I did was I put a microphone under the hood and by the exhaust. There's an interior one going on too, so you can hear me talk right now. We're gonna get some, hopefully, pretty sweet engine, exhaust, vtec tones. This is an AP2 S2000, a 2008. I bought it completely stock. All I did so far, an NVIDIA Q300 catback exhaust and an AFE Takata intake. Let's see how it sounds. While we're cruising right now, hopefully the wind noise is not too bad. I want to update you guys on something because I got some parts for the S2000. Not performance parts, but some aesthetics. I don't know if I'm gonna. I might as well tell you guys. I got from Shine Auto, which we're gonna have available on DrivenDistrict.com if you want it. You could also buy it directly through Shine Auto. I haven't listed it yet, but we got the vtec style front bumper. Ever since I was young. Like, I've owned an S2000 before. I've always been a fan of that style front bumper. We got the vtec style front bumper, and we got the vtec, race side skirts. Because my side skirts are a little nicked up anyway from the previous owner when I bought them. So we got the side skirts, we got the front bumper. It's, how do I put it? I didn't test fit it yet. It looks good. I've heard nothing but good things about Shine Auto. But there definitely needs to be some prep work that needs to get done. On my 124 Spider, when I went and did the wide body, we were able to just put the wrap right over the wide body kit, and it was perfect. This one, there's a little holes and chipping here and there, and so we're definitely gonna have to smooth it out and prepare it, so to say, to get wrapped. But that's what's gonna come next. We're gonna have the front bumper, side skirts, and a wrap, and wheels and coilovers. Wheels I'm excited about because we're actually doing a custom set of wheels that are specific to the S2000 front and rear with the fitment that are going to fit without any modifications. There are very few wheels that can fit. I know the Enkai, I think it's the RPF one or the PF one and whatever you want to call F1, this, that, those fit. But I wasn't the biggest fan of them. They're super generic. So many people run them. It's not my favorite style of wheel anyway. So I kind of worked and designed my own style. Well, I don't know if it's my own, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I kind of worked. I had an idea. I put it in Photoshop, designed it, brought it to the wheel manufacturer. We're in development right now making them. They're forged wheels. So they're not going to be the cheapest, but we're not going to have them super pricey either. They're going to be in the more affordable line of forged wheels, but they're going to be super strong and super light being forged. I think they look pretty sweet. So I'm excited. We're going to get basically some aesthetics done to the car now. I don't want to go too crazy. I would love to put a turbo, supercharger, whatever, but I'm not going to go crazy with performance right now. Like I said, we got the catback and the intake for the sound, amplify the driving experience. We're going to do wheels and coilovers, front bumper, side skirts, and a wrap. And yeah, stay tuned. If you haven't already, subscribe. We're going to have plenty more content on this car and others. But let's get back to these mic'd up tones and see how it sounds. Alright, so we're probably going to end this video here. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, drop a comment. Let me know what you think about these sounds. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel for more content. You can visit drivendistrict.com for some performance parts, some merch. We got some really cool car enthusiasts, both gifts and even stuff for you. Definitely check it out, especially with the holidays around the corner, not too far away. Some really cool stuff. And hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot.